good evening to all my dear friends and respected sir. And myself Rajesh Kumar, and I am here to say something about the Chhath Puja. As this is the occasion of a Chhath Puja, so we should talk about this. I think that this is not the festival of basically we celebrated only in India. It was only celebrated in India, but during the earlier period. But now it is the festival of this is the festival of whole world. And now it is celebrated across the globe. Basically, the foreigner country, which includes the Nepalis, means Nepal, and Mauritius, Malaysia, Australia, Spain, and all the countries, all the island of the Caribbean, means the Jamaica, Trinidad, and there are lots of countries which celebrate the Chhath Puja. And this is basically all the festivals are the holy, but this is the most holiest festival amongst that all. And I think that this is the festival which we keep, which people keep the fasting of 36 hours, as it continues from the 4 days. Means it starts from the Kharna, and then after people go to the river to give the aragya of dusk and dawn. Means the sun setting and the sunrise. After that, we wish to distribute the prasad, which we attribute to the God, to the Almighty God, that is our the God Sun. And many people ask the reason that if you take the example of Ramayana period. From the Ramayana period, when we talk about this, God, first of all, God Ram worshipped sun, as he did that because when he came to Ayodhya after defeating the Ravan, from the Lanka, then after to make himself purge, he worshipped sun in the river Saryu. Then after along with Sita Mata, by seeing him the people of Ayodhya started celebrating the Chhath Puja, as he was the king of the Ayodhya. That's why all the people started to celebrate Chhath Puja. From then until now, we used to celebrate Chhath Puja. And now second reason is that when we take and talk about the Mahabharata, during the Mahabharata, Kunti hadn't have a son. To have a wish of a son, he began to worship the God Sun. When he began to worship God, the God Sun became too much pleased with her worship. Then after he gifted son to Kunti Mata, and the son was we all know the son, and that son named is Karna. Then and this was all the scientific reason. This was all the religious reason. And one reason is that we all the means there is not the foundation of a religion that all the religion can celebrate this type of festival, means the Chhath. Is that the scientific reason? This main scientific reason is that during the Chhath Puja, when we keep the fasting of 36 hours, it all cleans and clears the digestive system of our human body. During the keeping of a fasting, all the constipations and the problems of the liver, it all goes away. And during the aragya, means when we worship the God during the dusk and dawn, we do with a whole concentration. And during the concentrations, when we pay concentrations to the sun god, it helps to metabolize our whole parts. And by doing so, all the immune system becomes too good, and it is beneficial for the human body. And that's why only the people of a Hindu don't celebrate this Chhath Puja. All the people who belongs to the different caste also beneficial of for the benefits of the health. And the main reason I told you all earlier that people do celebrate Chhath Puja for having a son, and that's why and this is the main reason that we do celebrate Chhath Puja. That this is the fact that the goddess Chhath Mata gift all their devotees, gift all their devotees to a son that who do this kind of a festival. And we all know friends, that this is the period of a pandemic, and we are suffering a lot from this from this disease, that is coronavirus. And during coronavirus, all the doctors and the genius had advised to increase the immune system of our body. And as I included that when we do celebrate the Chhat Puja, it also helps and to improve the immune system of our body. And that's why I will urge to every people who belongs to any religion that they must celebrate Chhat Puja to increase the immune system of our body, not for the long time, but for this period, that for the period of COVID-19. Then all the people who lives on this earth and wants to save their life along with their family, they should all celebrate Chhat Puja, as it increases the immune system of the body, which helps to improve and fight from this kind of disease. Thank you.